we were given the fortunate opportunity to come and train at these homes here on Barrett Road. Extremely important to be able to train on these types of homes because we don't often get to have the sets and reps that we need.
So Trips Run is a stream that runs through the Bel Air community, and the Bel Air community has suffered several repetitive loss floods. It means that house has flooded twice within the last 10 years. So the county began looking at a study. One of those options was to purchase 9 homes and remove the homes and create a flood bench. If we can start eliminating some of those repetitive loss properties, we can bring down the cost of flood insurance for the entire county.
Stormwater Planning held a community meeting to provide updates to the residents in the area about the progress of the project. And that caught the attention of one of the fire captains over at the fire department.
We can break things up at the firehouse. We can do small search drills here and there. We can pull hose lines. But what we can't do is have the platform to be able to respond in, lights and sirens, full dress out, get off the units and be able to pull hose lines into the homes, do our searches, and do that full A to Z package. So these have been extremely valuable in regards to that, to make sure that our firefighters are prepared in the event that something like this happens. We can ensure that they are executing their job safely and effectively.
By partnering with the fire training office for these vacant homes, we've run into a very unique and rare opportunity to partner up with another agency in the county and offer them a rare opportunity for more realistic training environments.
It's actually given the residents a little bit more peace in their lives of they're not worried about these homes sitting vacant, they're being put to good use. That use for the fire department is giving them real training to make them better to serve the residents here in Fairfax County.